Okay, here we are. So I'm an American. This is the first time I'm trying these. Kroger has them on sale. And my apologies for the heater in the background. I live in a very small apartment and a very large air heater for some reason. So it's whack and unwrapped. So I'm like, you hit it across the table apparently. I've watched the YouTube videos and everyone knows that. So let's try it. So it's like, it's so weird you're banging against the table. Okay. And I hit this thing and then we time, so I was trying not to. That's my laptop. Whack it. It's not whacking very well. Feels very solid. Damn! I'm gonna break my table. Holy shit. Okay, I feel a little give. I think I got it. I think maybe. I don't know. We'll find out. Maybe this way. We're beat to shit out of this. Okay, now it's broken. I can feel it. Okay. Just gonna do this. I wish I had my tripod out. I should have thought that first, but I was like, Now where the heck is the opening of this thing? Is it under the... It's probably under the wrapper. Somewhere. Yeah, it is. I feel it. There it is. So, unwrap. I beat the shit out of it, so we'll see what... Excuse my language. This video is rated M for mild language. Alright. And there they are. It smells decidedly not like American chocolate, as you would expect, which I'm kind of glad for. American chocolate can be a little too aggressively sweet, and I'm an American and I will agree. See how it's like segmented? That's kind of cool. And it also smells really orangey. So, there's little pieces on it. And even the side, they look like an orange peel. It's cute. And look at all this, look at all this chocolate. Anyway, I don't know if it's chocolate bloom or not. It's probably just, yeah, it looks like a little bit of chocolate bloom. So I don't know if these were imported or what. Or if that, it looks a little bit like chocolate. Oh yeah. There's where I banged it against the table. Or at least it looks a little bit like chocolate bloom. What that means is normally that it's like had a little problem with the air. Maybe it got cold and then uncold again. These ones, they're like not all the same shape. It's very weird. Like some are thinner than others, it looks like. Not all of them are the same. Okay, so here we go. As I said, it smells amazingly orange. Okay, we're on the second half of it. It's definitely not a natural orange flavor. But I do like the fact that it's a hint. And it's not overpowering. See, this one's really thin. Whereas the one I just ate was really thick. Like this one is really thick. This one is really thin. Comparatively. It's also missing a bit of the top. Okay, so... what it tastes like is that, Cadbury, American Cadbury does this thing where, in spring, no, it's Russell Stover, never mind. Russell Stover does this thing where you get these little things, and they're shaped like bunnies, or they're shaped like really just mounds of chocolate. They have some that look like orange. There's some that's like orange flavored for some reason, and then have some that's caramel, and they also have some that are marshmallow. And they're actually really good. And this is normally around Easter that they have these. And occasionally they'll have this one that has this like nougat center thing. It'll be flavored all different kinds of things. And this tastes like that orange one. It kind of tastes also kind of like there was a like kind of like Fanta, orange Fanta, to be honest. Like that artificial orange flavor. For sure. But it's not overpowering. It actually mixes really well with the chocolate, though. I wonder how the dark chocolate is. I had a dark chocolate one, too. But for my first time, I wanted to try just the thing. Or just the original. It's actually pretty good. I can definitely see how this would be like a taste of a holiday thing. It's funny. When you start eating it, you start off with the flavor of chocolate. And then it's like a slight aftertaste of orange. You kind of get it throughout too, but it's not like overpoweringly like citrusy. It's a lot sweeter than the European chocolate I've had before. But it's not bad. I've heard stories of people eating a whole one of these, and I'm like, how? I guess you have no self-control. But it's so huge. Yep, thanks for watching.